Good morning, students. See, one of the important model is shell model and its assumptions. Here, similar to electrons, nucleons from closed subshells within the nucleus. Here, nucleons inside nucleus are arranged in a type of shell structure. It is called shell model. And the N and P shells are independent of each other, and the number of nucleons in each shell are given by Pauli's principle. With a suitable number of neutrons and protons, the shells get closed. Each nucleus moves independently inside the nucleus with a fixed orbit under the effect of average potential produced by average motion of remaining nucleons in it. Each nucleon is assumed to be exhibits spin angular momentum, that is, and spin quantum number plus of, and orbital quantum number, that is L equals 0, 1, 2, 3. The nucleons are paired, and pair of nucleons have 0 spin, 0 angular momentum. Paired nucleons form inert core and do not contribute to the properties of nucleus. Here, nuclear energy levels are represented in the order of increasing energy levels like 1s, 2p, 3d, 2s, 4f, 3p, 5g. This number represents the values of n. And in each state of given energy, an angular momentum with n and l, the nucleon can be in 2i plus 1 different states corresponding to different projections of angular momentum and z-axis. Due to spin, each state with a given projection of orbital angular momentum and z-axis can accommodate two nucleons with opposite spin directions. Hence, an energy state with a given one can accommodate nucleons. Therefore, in energy states and its nucleons, if energy state represents a shell, we get competitive shells of nucleons. When the number of nucleons, then we get magic number 2820 in this manner. And the other magic numbers are got by assuming a strong interaction between spin and orbital angular momentum of a nucleon. Depending on S, whether parallel to L or anti-parallel to L, here J equals L plus S or J equals L minus S. If energy depends on J, then for each J there are 2J plus 1 different states, and the original arrangement of energy levels is modified with respect to energy levels are grouped into shells such that each shell contains closely spaced energy levels, and two consecutive levels are separated by a large gap. Then the closed shells are obtained whenever the number of nucleons are like magic numbers 2, 8, 20, 50, etc. 28, 50, etc. all are magic numbers got. This shell structure applies to both neutrons and protons separately. Therefore, shell model treats nucleons individually. Whereas in liquid drop model, it is assumed that the nucleons exert influence on one another only at a close range, or they interact strongly with their immediate neighbors. So this is shell model and its assumptions.